in Skagway. That's the line to get back on the ship. They had to move the ramps because the tide came in and it would be angled too much for people to get back on. So that's a procedure that takes between 30 minutes and an hour. So we were waiting on the ship to get off, and these people are waiting off the ship to get on. But on the last cruise we were on, the tide came in. Hey!
Thanks. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah. All right. All these people trying to get on while all those people are trying to get off. So that's what tides will do to you. Of course, we have Janet with us today. The Celebrity Summit is over there, and is this Ovation of the Seas?
Ovation
on the
of the
other side?
Seas.
So we'll see once we get around. Of course, downtown Skagway is straight ahead. See the yellow or gold onion dome? That's where the landslide was, over on that dome. That's why the Celebrity Summit is so far back. It used to come right up in there. It's unstable.
I'm feeling raindrops. Magnetic stickers, so you won't get lost. So we're there. We're going to go up into town and then around there. We're going to end up over on that side. So here's a private tour company. They have several tours. There's where you could purchase the railway if you didn't get one on board before. Officially, we're on Broadway. That's just Broadway. And we're coming up to First Avenue. So we're going to walk up a couple blocks through the town. And then we're going to come back and go down First Street towards the airport. So we're going to keep train stuff here. And oh, look at this. They've got shops selling souvenirs. Baseball hats, 2 for about $10. That's the lowest price we've seen. Shot glasses, 2 for $7. Alaska tunics, $25. Walk down the street over here.
I'm sure we'll see you.
Oh, come find me.
Thank you for showing us that one.
That's a clock painted on the side of a rock.
Brightly painted historical building. And buses. Look at that. Bus.
Here.
Somebody else. Hey, it's the famous red onion sling. So, this is 2nd Avenue. Normally, the ship docks at the old spot, but you don't see it. Not today. Historic Brothel Museum and restaurant.
Look how crowded it is in there.
Look at that.
Last time we came here, this was closed. Basically, yeah.
Back. You want your ticket?
It becomes very big. There's a lot of homes up in here. Usually all the way down. Squares. It says it's a museum. Let's go in. Souvenir store. Somewhere. Reindeer? Rudolph.
Dice te voy a llamar, dale.
We have those.
Dale, te voy a llamar.
We have these. So this is a wood magnet carved, $7. Earrings, $13. Knives. So pencils, everything, right? Everything you could imagine. Please do not enter.
Yeah. Passes. The one in Florida we lived over there.
Get this away from you on the ship.
How was that?
But
Just
we're
cause.
gonna give it back to you at the end of the
Yeah.
cruise.
We had
Then you have
SeaWorld
to
the
get
first
on
year
there.
and then Disney.
So I suggest packing your luggage carefully.
What I got was
Somebody dropped a rock. This is inside the Red Onion. And there's a huge crowd and lots of people waiting. This was closed last time we were here. Last couple of times we were here.